creamy, protein-packed, and unbelievably quick and easy to make. This protein peanut butter and jelly banana sandwich is a twist on a classic PB&J that you can easily make for your next breakfast, snack, or post-workout treat. We'll make the protein peanut butter spread first. I already have 2 tablespoons of peanut butter in here. Add 1/4 cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. And add 2 tablespoons of the protein powder of your choice. Pretty much any flavor works well for this recipe. Mix everything together until the mixture is smooth, creamy, and fully combined. If the spread feels too thick, slowly drizzle in a splash of milk or water until it reaches an easily spreadable consistency. Now we'll assemble our sandwich. Take out 2 slices of whole grain bread. You can toast them if you'd like an extra crunch, but I won't be doing it for mine today. Spread the protein peanut butter mixture on both slices of bread. Then add 1 tablespoon of a low sugar or sugar-free jelly on 1 slice. If you really like jelly, you can add a bit more. Finally, layer the banana slices over the jelly, and that's all there is to it. You're ready to enjoy your protein peanut butter and jelly banana sandwich. As always, the full list of ingredients, directions, and macros are in the description. If you want to use powdered peanut butter to cut down on the calories, I would replace the 2 tablespoons of peanut butter with 4 tablespoons of powdered peanut butter and 2 tablespoons of water or milk. Do that before you add in the Greek yogurt and protein powder. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fast, healthy recipes every week.